How to tie a bowline by E-System Training Solutions. The bowline knot is typically used as an end connection for overhead lifting and for tying off heavier loads. When tying the knot, I'm going to make a hole, then hold the hole in place with my thumb and finger, then pass the rope through the hole from the top. Next, the rope will pass over the top and around the main rope, then back through the hole from the bottom. Snug up the loose rope, and you now have a completed bowline knot. If you're ever in doubt as to whether you've tied a bowline knot, you can test the knot by taking your thumb and pushing back on this top loop. If the knot loosens up, you've tied the knot correctly. While it would be unusual for this knot to come undone, a safety can be added. This is why a tail of at least 6 inches should always remain after tying the knot. This is a typical configuration using a bowline with a safety. Here you have a shackle and a hook, and you'll put whatever you are lifting into this hook. It is important to point out the use of a shackle in this setup. A shackle is used to increase the diameter of the rope bend, which decreases the number of rope fibers under compression and allows more fibers to be in tension.